Hello homeowners and eco-conscious enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of flooring, specifically bamboo flooring. Bamboo has gained popularity as a sustainable and stylish flooring option, but like any choice, it comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of bamboo flooring to help you make an informed decision for your home. Let's get started. Segment 1: The eco-friendly advantage. Sustainability. Bamboo is a fast-growing grass, making it an eco-friendly choice. Renewable resource. It regenerates quickly, reducing strain on forests. Segment 2: Durability and hardness. Durability. Bamboo is hard and can withstand heavy foot traffic. Janka hardness. It has a high Janka rating, making it as strong as some hardwoods. Segment 3: Style and aesthetic appeal. Elegant appearance. Bamboo's natural grain patterns and shades give it a modern and stylish look. Versatility. Available in various finishes and styles to suit different interior designs. Segment 4: Maintenance and cleaning ease. Low maintenance. Bamboo is easy to clean with regular sweeping and occasional mopping. Resistant to stains. It's less prone to staining compared to other flooring materials. Segment 5: The environmental impact. Moisture sensitivity. Bamboo can be sensitive to moisture and is not ideal for high humidity areas. Scratch susceptibility. While durable, bamboo can still be susceptible to scratches, especially from sharp objects. Segment 6: Cost and installation. Affordability. Bamboo is often more budget-friendly compared to hardwood. Installation. It can be a bit tricky to install, so professional installation may be necessary. In conclusion, bamboo flooring offers a range of advantages, from sustainability and durability to style and ease of maintenance. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the advantages and disadvantages of bamboo flooring.